Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the online classes of Iqra Hufaz Boys Secondary School, a project of Iqra Education System. This video session is for English composition for class 8 and this is lecture number 29. My dear students, today we have to write letter number 2 on write a letter to any family member to tell about your health. Now take out your notebooks and write down a letter with me. And the letter is examination hall, comma, A.B.C. school, comma, Karachi, full stop. Dated 31st August, comma, 2020. Dear brother, Assalamu alaikum. You skip a line for the salutation, okay? I received your letter 2 days ago. I am very happy to know that you are in the best condition of your health. Now change the paragraph. I am writing this letter in response to your previous letter in which you asked me about my health. I am healthy and fit by the grace of Allah. I am acting up on your advices. I sleep early. I go outside for a morning walk. I do exercise regularly. And I take proper diet. Now change the paragraph. I hope you will be happy to know all this. And I would like to hear from you soon. Take very good care of yourself and pay my salam to all. Then a line is skipped for ending. With love, comma, X dot, Y dot, Z dot. Okay, now you have to write this letter in the notebook and this is your homework. Assalamu alaikum.